This is like take 20. I did a full take and pretty much uploaded it all to YouTube unlisted. And then I realised me without a shirt on was just too intimidating because I'm such a buff moose. But yeah, taking this opportunity to ride you hard about subscribing if you aren't a subscriber already. Yeah, we need more subscribers. If we have more subscribers, it can open more opportunities for us and we can make better videos. They're already sick, but yeah, we can make them better again. Yeah, almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Been pushing videos pretty hard lately, which has been growing the subscriber list nicely. Yeah, when I get to 1,000, I'll drop a video. Have to make one, I guess. Let some ideas flow in the comments, and yeah, we'll make something happen. How's the fitment on this? Oh yeah. Oh, that's magic. Came in today to put a new intercooler on this Colorado and do a clutch on it. There's a new cooler. It's more than double the size, thicker and bigger surface area on the front. And Luca's come in to entertain me. Yeah, this rig's 100% built, not bought. As you can see, everything to changing tyres. Tell us about it, mate.
This is my 2021 Nissan GQ Patrol short wheelbase.
Yeah.
It says Rocky, but it's actually a Nissan.
Oh yeah.
It's super rare. It's actually an import from China.
Hang on, mate. Trav's trying to get his car out. Poor Travis, he was sick of our crap 3 years ago when we moved in.
Still not impressed to this day. Look at this. How could you not be impressed? This is fucking dope.
What else you got?
What else?
Matching spotties?
Yeah, matching spotties. They don't work.
Oh,
Yeah.
surprise, surprise.
Yeah, look at this. This is Bluetooth.
Pop the hood, bro. I'll let the forks down so we can get in there because she's such a big rig. Oh, you're just gonna have to hold the bonnet because you lost the strut. Fresh pump on, worth more than the whole car.
Yep, fresh pump, fresh injectors.
Oh, yep. Got the race K&N race filter on there.
Yeah, mate. It's high flow, so high flow it's invisible.
That's good. The core of your turbo is warping.
Walking. Look at that. Bolts come loose and it's walking out. This one's walking out.
What turbo is that?
It's RHV5. It's off the 4JJ1.
Oh.
So it is VGT.
So you put a VGT on it and then you made it work with a vacuum actuator.
No,
got a positive...
I made a positive pressure actuator work for it. There's a bit of...
Man, if you didn't drink so many beers...
I might be smart.
You're still smart, but like you might get more stuff done properly. Here's the original turbo off it, a lot smaller than what's on there. It's gated, so yeah, this new thing that he's made fit is pretty cool actually. Oh, you got the OG RMR hat?
Yeah, mate. OG RMR hat.
Whoa. Let's hear this bad boy dose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. We're bogging down in third.
AGTs at like 550 already. They're free turbo.
Got tally-ho wrappers flying around everywhere. Whoa, there goes one. There goes another one.
Reuben, I was your apprentice for like a year. You know what my buses are like.
Woo. Built not bought. Now he's just fixing his turbo up so we can make some proper boost because when we were driving around before it wasn't boosting as hard as it should. And we'll actually do some pulls and see how much power it makes before Luca puts a big cooler on it and actually winds it up a bit. Didn't bring the old GoPro to work and poor Luke is struggling to hang on and film. I want to give it more fuel, but Luca's being a bitch in his old age. You used to be cool, bro. You used to wind fuel screws in with impact drivers.
No, I've grown up.
This pump's got plenty of fuel down low, but as soon as it comes on boost, there's just nothing there. Could definitely be tweaked to get more out of it. You can see the high-speed AFRs there, 26:1. That's so lean. But yeah, Luca didn't want to risk it without the intercooler, so good on him. New PDI front mount in this 2014 Colorado, 2.8 Duramax motor. The new cooler's more than 2 times the size of the old one. That's the old one down there, and some of the old pipe work. These kits are great. They come in a box like that. They come with instructions like this. Walks you through it, pictures. Do it at home. Fun little weekend project. And yeah, comes with this baller pipe work that fits snugly around everything, and yeah, it's pretty mint. Brian, who sells them, the owner of PDI, is not far from us, so he drops in every now and again, and great bloke. Very passionate about intercoolers and performance, and yeah, does a good job getting these kits together. You've got to cut a few silicone hoses to suit. So normally just put a clamp around it and trim around with a Stanley so that it's got a nice straight edge. Align the clamp square with the sides here so you get a nice cut. Should be good. This thing came in lacking power. It had boost leaks all over it. As you can see, there's residue all over these old intercooler pipes and around the cooler. It's just leaking boost everywhere. So yeah, that's what we found. The turbo's still okay, luckily. So yeah, new cooler. We'll get some good gains out of that. And Luca is just making himself a little exhaust here for the Rocky. Progress. Oh, beautiful. We can go home now. We'll leave Luca here to finish the rest of his exhaust, and I'll go home and put this video together. Oh, I thought I was done there. Came out of the traffic lights a little bit squirrely there, and then got pulled up. But they were all good. Didn't stick at me, saw the exhaust. Very lucky. This dude's so loud when you get up it. Just came around that set of lights there and yeah, got up it a bit. Cruising down the road, wasn't speeding luckily because it's double demerits, but after about 2 minutes I realised there was a cop car following me, and they pulled me up, breathoed me. One of the guys, there was a guy and a girl, the guy was looking around, he was an older gentleman, and yeah, checked out the exhaust. First he asked me if it had an exhaust on it. I said yeah, it's got one, it's just, you know, exiting behind the cab over there. So he went and checked it out, and he came back and he had a look at his face. He was like, yeah, that's a pretty big exhaust. Don't think they came out of the factory with a 3.5-inch exhaust on them, did they? I was like, nah mate, but that's a 4-inch, so yeah. Don't need a permit for it, if that's what you're asking. I've got a headlight out as well. He would have seen that, and he didn't say anything about it. The tyres on the back are bald. Well, there's a tiny bit of tread on them. He saw the other ones in the tray and said, when you get home or in the morning when it's light, whack them on. So very grateful that they didn't stick at me. That was very nice of them. They obviously weren't traffic cops. He said he wasn't actually. He said he was an ex-traffic cop, so yeah. Not all cops you meet are morons, apparently. Some of them are just normal human beings. Luckily for me.
This flow's dank, come like dank. If I'm on a tune, it's gotta be dank. Yeah, this flow's dank, come like dank. If I'm on a tune, it's gotta be dank. Come to the shows of the crowd, they skank. And the flows like packs of the light, it's dank. This flow's dank, come like dank. If I'm on a tune, it's gotta be dank. This flow's dank, come like dank. If I'm on a tune, it's gotta be dank. Yeah, this flow's dank, come like dank. If I'm on a tune, it's gotta be dank. Come to the shows of the crowd, they skank. And the flows like packs of the light, it's dank.
If I'm on a stage, it's gotta be lit. Not just lively, man, I mean lit. I'm from a time where man spat a rhyme and the crowd sang along like they wrote it. None of your men don't take no risk. None of your men don't make no hits. Beats and bars ain't hard to produce, but DJs still don't play your mix. I make the youngest say you're sick. I make the oldest say you're sick. I make the cab driver say pass me the aux and put some million quick. Catch up, I'm I'm already on fifth.